Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change Chrysler 300 seats. Before starting, gather your tools. You'll need a ratchet, various sockets including 10, 13, and 15 mm, plus a torque wrench. Don't forget wire strippers, quick connects, and a flathead screwdriver. Having a clear workspace and an extra pair of hands will make this project much smoother and safer. Now let's remove the old seat. First, slide the seat all the way forward to easily reach the two rear floor bolts, which are usually 15 mm. Then, move the seat completely back to uncover the two front bolts, often 13 mm. After unbolting, tilt the seat to access and carefully disconnect all electrical harnesses underneath, remembering to slide any red lock switches. Finally, unbolt the seat belt anchor, typically a 10 mm bolt, and carefully lift the seat out. With the old seat out, it's time to install your new one. Carefully place the new seat into the vehicle, making sure it aligns with the floor mounting points. Reconnect all the electrical wiring harnesses, ensuring each connection clicks securely into place. Next, reattach the seat belt anchor bolt, tightening it properly. Finally, align the seat with the 4 floor bolt holes, hand thread all bolts, and then tighten them down, ensuring a secure fit. Before you hit the road, perform some crucial final checks. Double-check that all 4 seat bolts are securely tightened to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. Test all seat adjustments, heating, and any other electrical functions to confirm they work perfectly. After reconnecting your battery, ensure no airbag warning lights illuminate on your dashboard. If an airbag sensor error appears, professional recalibration might be necessary for your safety.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.